gift packaging. The case includes one charging station and one manual Trozk 65 charging station. PCB immersion gold technology. We provide two options for the case. Power switch. The power switch turns on by pressing once. The power switch turns off by pressing once. Pressing and holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds restores the factory settings. Light switch. And the light switch can turn on, off the ambient light. Long pressing the light switch 3 seconds to turn on off the screen. Cycle and alternate RGB lighting. Compatible with varying size plugs. 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. Gain 65-watt fast charging. Charge up to 10 devices simultaneously. The Trozk 65 charging station is available in 4 different colors.